Discover how to make at home an aromatic candle that relieves cough and congestion. Melt 3 candles over low heat until they turn into a golden liquid. Transfer to a jar, add a teaspoon of Vicks, VapoRub, and a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Mix well, place the wick in the center with a stick, and let it harden. Light this powerful candle that releases medicinal vapors, helps you breathe better, and purifies the environment. Sleep peacefully and feel the difference on the very first night.